More of the Tractor Show today is we're in Arthur, Illinois with the Farm Collectors Association. Here's some of the highlights.
Yesterday is in the past, but tomorrow I see through the windshield coming fast, aiming straight for you and me. So let's meet it head on with a smile on our face, savor every moment at a speed of sound and pace. No reservations on the gain and nothing to hide. I can guarantee you will enjoy the ride.
Alvin Miller from Chesterville, Illinois had this sharp-looking 730 diesel, and I especially like what he had here on the sign. Please do not touch. I'm not that kind of tractor.
Our guide through the urban and the rural on this carefree ride through life. Come with me and see the world, and we'll meet it head on with a smile on our face, savor every moment at a speed of sound pace. No reservations on the gain and nothing to hide. I can guarantee you will enjoy the ride. We can imagine and dream just how good life could be, but we'll never truly see until we meet it head on with a smile on our face, savor every moment at a speed of sound and pace. No reservations on the gain and nothing to hide. I can guarantee you will enjoy the ride. Yes, I can guarantee you will enjoy the ride.